Today I'd like to review this compressed air dust from BELTLY. Now, if you regularly clean your keyboards or your computer, car interiors, or other tight spaces, this electric air duster provides reusable, adjustable airflow without using those compressed air containers. The main feature, which I really appreciate, is this stepless speed control. So instead of being limited to a few preset levels, you can gradually adjust the airflow from 0 to 100, and this lets you use gentler air around delicate items, and you're able to increase the power for heavier dusting and debris without just being limited to one or two preset levels. Now, the brushless motor is rated up to 110,000 RPM, and that gives you an advertised airspeed of about 45 meters per second. But the actual airflow will depend on your setting and the attachment that you use. Now, speaking of attachment, there are three actual attachments. You have a larger mouth nozzle, which is for general debris in larger areas. You also have a narrow nozzle, and that helps you direct air into keyboard gaps and computer cases or vents and other confined areas. Now, the brush attachment, which fits on either nozzle, that helps to loosen dust, while the airflow helps to move it away. Now, the unit itself weighs about 7 ounces, and it's compact enough to operate with one hand. And its cordless design also makes it convenient for cleaning a desk, a vehicle, a camera bag, or outdoor equipment without having electrical wiring around. It recharges through a USB-C cable, and it takes about 3 hours to fully charge the unit, and that'll give you about 180 minutes of continuous use. But the runtime will actually be shorter depending on which setting you use it on. Let's take a look at it in action. I actually placed some debris on a windowsill. Now, to operate, you simply hold in the button, and that's the low setting. You can change settings simply by sliding the lever up and down, and you can hear how powerful the stream gets. So let's try it on low and see how powerful it is. How about a little higher? And you can see it blows all the debris, cleaning the windowsill with ease. Shut off, you simply hold the power button. Now, the unit comes with everything you need to start using right out of the box. You have the unit itself, the 3 nozzles, a handy little cleaning brush, USB charger, and you even have a carrying case. So overall, I find this compressed air duster to be very convenient, easy to use, and I definitely love this variable speed control. And for that reason, for me, it's a definite gotta get.